16 divide 6 over 12 multiply 4. How can we solve it? In this expression we'll solve two ways, in two methods. One is right method, another is wrong method. So first we solve with wrong methods. Mostly people do this problem with wrong methods. So we start. 16 divide 6 over 12 times 4. Now 16 divide 4, 1 cancels 12, 3 times. So 16 divide 6 over 3. 16 divide, now 3 cancels to 6, 2, divide 2. And finally 16 divide 2 gives us 8. But this is a not right answer because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember that in multiplication or division have equal priority and we have go work from left to right. Same like addition and subtractions, left to right. In this expressions, multiplication and divisions are given. So first we solve division, then multiplication. The right method is 16 divide 6 over 12 times 4. First we solve division. So division 16. Now here KCF. KCF means divide, K for keep, C for change and F for flip. So divide convert into multiplication. Now 16 times 12 upon 6 times 4. Then 6, 3, 2 tables, 3 and 8. 8 times 12 upon 3 times 4. Here only multiplication symbols, so we will solve all of these. Now 3 cancels 12, 4. 8 times 4 times 4. Now but 32 times 4 and final 4 and 128. So the right answer.